Hello, my name is Eliot. I'm one of the assistant project managers working on the Discovery building. This is our new state-of-the-art science support and operation facility here at Rothera. Let's go inside and have a look. So we're now on our operations tower balcony, and behind me we can look at the Discovery building's roof. This is a 4,500 metre square space split over 2 levels. It's finished with the wind deflector. The wind deflector's design aims to prevent snow build-up on the south side of the building by channeling that snow away using the prevailing winds. As you can see from the tower, we have an uninterrupted view of the runway. This enables our operations team to support the planes as they head into the field. This space is our main hub for all of the inbound field and science equipment. It's a space for our engineers, scientists and field teams. They can come in, prep all of their various bits of kit and instruments for the field before heading out. On this side, just behind me, is a space for our field teams. You can see we've got a tent up drying behind me, but they've also got areas to work on sledges, skis and other bits of kit. So moving on from our main preparation area, we have a variety of workshop spaces down this corridor. The first room is our ski store. This is where all of our station skiing equipment is stored. We can all come in, take that and head out to the snow. Next, on the left is our field preparation workshop. It's split into 2 main areas. On the right, just behind me, is an area for the field teams. They can come in and work on skis and other bits of equipment. On the left over here is a space for our engineers. They can come in and work on their instrumentation. The next room is the electronics workshop for our electrical engineers, and then the central stores. So this is where all of our inbound cargo comes in, gets biosecured before being shipped into our main store space. The first space we're going to go have a look at is our freezer room. As you can imagine, being in Antarctica, we have to be able to sustain and feed ourselves for long periods of time, and this is where we keep our frozen goods. We're now upstairs on the first floor of our central stores. We have 4 main bays here. These are primarily used for storing dry goods and field goods. And then through these doors, we have a carpentry workshop for our chippies. And through these doors, we have an electrical and mechanical workshop. And then we enter the energy center. This whole space behind me is where we provide all of our critical life support systems, such as power, drinking water, electricity and heating. We make it here and distribute it on our site-wide network to the rest of the station. As you can see, we have some pretty big vehicles here required to run our operation in Antarctica. So we have to have a workshop to suit. This next room is our new vehicles workshop. Big vehicles can enter with the 5-meter doors and use the space just in front of us, which is purpose-built to work. We're now in our open plan office. This is a space for any visiting scientists to come in. They can work on their projects at any of these desks here. And then our IT office ahead of us, a communal tea point at the hub, an operations room over there to control any flying, and then our station leader's office just over there. We're now back downstairs in our 2-story climbing wall. This will become a space for our field guides to come in and deliver training before they head out to the field. Being so remote, we must be able to be self-sufficient, and through these double doors is our new medical centre, which is spec'd to an NHS England standard. If you come in, you have an issue, you can see our doc in our consultation room. If you need immediate treatment, we have a room just through there. And for longer term care, we have a ward.